Winning the SEO Game, Part 10. How to do local SEO. SEO factor number 8. Use structured data. Many web pages have text on them that is easy for people to understand but tough for the Google algorithm to make sense of. Structured data is specific code you put on your pages that helps Google understand the content. If you implement structured data correctly, it may show directly in the search results. For example, have you ever searched for a recipe and seen things like bake time or ratings? That's the result of structured data being implemented. You can create this type of information with Google's Structured Data Markup helper. You enter the URL of the page you want to edit and then Google will guide you through adding structured data to it. Stay tuned for the rest of the series on winning the SEO game and local SEO tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.